Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to use the food scale. So they do have two different kinds of food scales. One's with the plate on it and the other one doesn't have the plate on it. A lot of people like the ones without the plate because if you're like packing this to go with you, it's a lot easier to carry. I have the one with the plate on because I generally don't bring my food scale anywhere, but I leave it in my kitchen. So I have a bowl here where I'm gonna put the food, and then I also have the food itself, and this is just ground chicken meatballs. So you might want to use your food scale if you need to track the amount of protein you're eating, also maybe to weigh out how much rice you're eating or sweet potato, and in some cases maybe how many vegetables you're eating, right? So especially if you're someone who does like bodybuilding prep or just someone who's really into tracking their macros, you're probably very familiar with the food scale, and if you're interested in it, hopefully this video helps you out. But how I use this food scale, I have the units, and the power on and the tare, okay? So I'm gonna turn on my food scale. I'm gonna make sure that's down, so I hit the power button. And it's kind of loading right now. It says 0 pounds, so I'm gonna change the units. So I'm gonna hit the units, and I'm going to change it to ounces because I like to track my meat in ounces, but I also have grams on here, kilograms on here, and pounds. So I'm gonna change it to ounces. Now when I put the bowl on, what happens is it says 14, right? 14 ounces. And obviously when I put the food in there, I don't want it to say 14 ounces plus the amount of food that I have. So I'm going to hit the tare button or the power button, and it's going to take it to 0. So I'm gonna wait till it says 0. All right, now it says 0. And I'm going to just put how much I want in there. And that shows 1.2 ounces. I put a little bit more in there, 2.3. Let's try to maybe get it to 3. Let's see if we could get there. Okay, 2.8 ounces, 2.8 ounces. And that's all you have to do. So the same exact thing you would do for any other food, right? You put the plate on, the bowl on, you tare it, you hit the tare button, you wait till it says 0, and then you start adding in your food there.